Year.
Yeah.
What year?
Tuesday.
2019?
Tuesday. Kuja utafsiri kidogo accent yake huwa ni nikoroga.
What year was this?
Mulianza mwaka gani na mlikuwa hapa?
2018.
2018.
2018 ni hapa tulikuwa tunakusanya. Sasa tulipopata vitambulisho vya Kamonyi district ndio wa hapa wakaenda hapa.
Oh, so they were operating here when they got the license for this district. Now they relocated from here to there. Na kwa nini uli
hapa ulimo hii district ni ya Muhanga. Tuka baada tujapata vitambulisho.
I think it's funny. When you come here operating, because it's like you have to get a license for every district. Now they have not got approval to have any church in this district. That's why they went to where they are meeting. They had to go
so when they started here, they didn't have approval.
Yes. You see, Kenya is different. When you get a license, you can operate from everywhere within Kenya. You don't have to like have counties or the province or whatever. As long as you're registered, you can plant churches to every corner as long as it's a Kenyan soil.
Lakini tunataka tena kuunganisha Wakristo hapa tupate mahali waanze kuanza sasa kushirikia.
Lakini mmepata kibali.
Tutaitafuta juu.
Na nauliza kwani tofauti ya hapa na Kenya, kwa maana Kenya kanisa ikiwa registered unaweza kufungua kanisa kila mahali, si lazima.
Na huku ni hivyo, lakini zatakikana upate mahali pazuri na present mahali hiyo na then hakuna shida.
Okay. What they're saying, the license they got approved them to open a church all around Rwanda, but before they approve of the church you're planting in every district, they must come and supervise that the place is good. Maybe they check on the bathroom and the access of water. Then now they give approval for the church to be established there.
Hiyo inabaki hapa kwa hiyo.
Okay, I understand.
Tumeacha kwanza tupate uwezo and then turudi sasa.
So they decided to build their strength from there. So once they are good and financial stable, now they can come and establish here now.
So how do you decide where to have a new church in the country?
Anauliza unaamwanga aje venye utafungua kanisa katika maeneo fulani?
Mimi nikipata uwezo wa kukodesha na kupata mtu ambaye nitaweka mahali hapo, hiyo inatosha. Naomba serikali naandika wana.
So what he says that when he go for evangelism or fellowship somewhere and there is somebody or maybe somebody join them and is willing to go to that place, is when now he go and now maybe raising the funds that will make them to be acceptable, to be approved.
How do you raise up the pastors? How do you choose who the pastors are?
Unaweza hawa wachungaji wenye uko na wao wewe unawa-approve aje, wewe unawaveta aje ndio kwa unaweza kuaminia kama ule mchungaji mmoja anaenda kule mlimani ulionana aje na ukajua ya kwamba ako sawa?
Tunafanya kazi siku nyingi, naendelea kumwangalia, kufuatilia tabia zake.
So what he's saying, he normally work before confirming with him. He worked through the committee and the national executive that he said. So they check on him for some time as they continue. Once he reach all the criteria, then he can now approve him to be a pastor.
Do the pastors have to have theological training and college?
Okay, si lazima, lakini ni lazima mchungaji apate elimu ya kibiolojia ndiye akuwe mchungaji.
Hapana.
Okay, he's saying not really, but they
Unaangalia
encourage them.
ushuhuda.
But they encourage them to learn and also check on the testimony side of it, and then they put on the sound doctrine of VCCK and the beliefs. But because of that issues of maybe pastors not able to have funds to go to the theology or something, so they don't normally check on that. But once there's an...
It's not a government rule.
It's not a government. Okay, you see, even in Kenya, it's a government rule even for pastors to have theological. But because of that thing of people are Christian and they fear like to go and approve, and some people say that the calling of God does not have the approval or something. So you find that it's like a requirement per se, but it's not really, unless somebody does something crazy. That is the time that now the government like get to
So
do
the
that.
Chet training that Melvin did, the 6 books, is that good for government approval in Kenya?
Okay, it is good for the personal enlightenment, but really has nothing to do with the government. But at least if you have the papers, or maybe if a matter can arise.
Well, yeah, but you would get a certificate.
That's what I'm saying. If you get a certificate, you know, a certificate, even in social or corporate world, once you have a certificate, it's good for you. So whatever you are doing on anything, having a certificate is an upper.
So we've got the pastors in Kenya that have the certificate. So they can be officially approved by the government,
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
even if they have no other theological
Yeah,
training.
yeah. But again, you see, even like that, the denomination has not worked. It's just like you can come with a program like of maybe government information for like whatever, and you give people certificate. But the certificate, but it's good. You can tell the government of it, but the theological, the school is not yet upgraded in any system of recognition. But at least it's good that we can table it through the denomination that all our pastors passes through this.
Yeah, but it's officials. We pay for official certificate,
Yeah.
which should be okay by the government, because it's that school out of London.
Yeah.
It's not even checked. If it's run properly, and they have to take the tests and everything, and the tests have a teacher that watches them.
That's what I'm saying. The challenge the challenge with us is that we don't take the program seriously. That even the national church can be able to set up like a program that can be official, or even try to make it open or something. So it's great if they can manage to.
Well, I mean, Melvin can come here and do that for these pastors.
But here in Rwanda, what they need we show them what the covenant. If they have that book, they learn very well. They will know what the covenants, and the foundation will be very good for them.
Yeah.
We'll do that today. Just to show a pamphlet on it.
Unajua?
So
Uligitangaza Yesu we, uligitangaza Yesu we, uligitangaza Yesu we, heya, uligitangaza Yesu we, uligitangaza Yesu we, uligitangaza Yesu we, uligitangaza Yesu we, heya,